Slay the Spire 2 has no sound. Here's how to fix it. Open the game, hit Settings, then go to Sound. If any slider is all the way down, drag it back up. If that fixed it, drop a comment saying fixed. If the sound is still gone, click the speaker icon in your taskbar, open Volume Mixer, Output Device, check which device is selected. If it's set to a monitor or something you're not using, switch it to your actual speakers or headset. Try the game now. If it's still silent, right-click the speaker icon, click Sound Settings, scroll down to More Sound Settings, right-click your output device, hit Properties, go to the Advanced tab, set the format to 24-bit, 48,000 Hz, click Apply, then OK. Then relaunch the game. If that didn't do it, open Steam, right-click Slay the Spire 2, go to Properties, Installed Files, verify integrity of game files. It'll replace anything corrupted. One thing, if you're on a Bluetooth headset, unplug it and use wired instead. Bluetooth and games drop audio constantly. If it's still not working, drop a comment with what you tried and what you're seeing. I'll help you out.